New tonight, Coconino County health officials confirmed a death earlier this month due to the pneumonic plague.
12 News journalist Chase Golightly is speaking to a woman who says she got the bubonic plague, a different kind of plague, also deadly, just the same as the first one. Chase joins us now in studio. And Chase, how's this woman doing?
Well, Mark Rebe, she is recovering, doing a lot better. Doctor said she most likely had the plague due to her symptoms, not testing her because waiting for those results could have made matters much worse.
It's a disease you read about in history books or horror stories. But now Rachel Morales says she has it.
They diagnosed me with the bubonic plague.
Morales and her family were visiting Flagstaff, camping for a week in the Hart Prairie Loop Trail. When she got back to Phoenix,
I had extreme fatigue, a headache, low-grade fever, and an enlarged lymph node in my left armpit about the size of a marble.
all symptoms of the bubonic plague. She also noticed several bug bites on her body,
The bite marks I had was an indication that it could have been from a flea or a tick.
which is how people can contract the plague. Concerned about how she felt, and after learning someone had died in Flagstaff from pneumonic plague a few days earlier, Morales, who is also a paramedic, decided to go to a Phoenix hospital just a day after those symptoms started.
So it was kind of already on our radar, and we had already looked up the signs and symptoms to be on the lookout.
She wasn't officially tested because it wouldn't be covered by insurance, and it would take 72 hours to get results. Time she may have not had. Based on her symptoms, doctors told her she most likely contracted the plague, prescribing 2 kinds of antibiotics and giving her this pamphlet.
I was just thankful that I caught it early enough that it was easily treatable.
Will Humble, the executive director for the Arizona Public Health Association, says getting treatment started as soon as possible for plague is a matter of life and death.
If you don't get the antibiotics in time, it's fatal about 60% of the time.
Since Morales was not tested, her case was not reported to county health officials.
Most likely it was an infection for sure. Whether it was the plague, I think it's unlikely.
Still, Humble believes Rachel and doctors did the right thing by giving her treatment immediately. Chase Golightly, 12 News.
All right, Chase, thanks.